So students, what is super elevation? Today we have to introduce super elevation from the transportation engineering subject in civil engineering department. We have to consider a super elevation on highway, roads and in railways. Railways is calculated as super elevation is something different than highway. Okay, at first we have to select a width of pavement, that is what W. The inner super elevation is actually a rising of outer edge of any pavement with respect to inner edge on a horizontal curve. It is necessary when we have to introduce a horizontal curve, then a centrifugal force is applied on a particular vehicle when it traveling from straight road to curved road in horizontal curve. Then a force is pulling the vehicle from inner to outer area. That's why we have to raising a outer edge of the pavement with respect to inner edge on a horizontal road to substitute the centrifugal force which will be pulling out the vehicle from inner to outer edge. Okay, when we have to traveling a vehicle on a horizontal road, then the vehicle is pushing outerward, and it will be, if we have not introducing a super elevation on a horizontal curve, then that vehicle will be going out of the alignment. Okay, that is the basic requirement that why we have to introducing a super elevation. At first, what is super elevation? We have to introduce this super elevation on a pavement surface. When width of the pavement is what W, then implementing a super elevation on outer edge, rising of outer edge, that is what thickness T. So according to sin theta rule, that is what sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon base, that is what T upon W. T is equal to it is not sin theta, this is tan theta. Perpendicular upon base is tan theta is equal to T upon W, then T is equal to W tan theta. Okay, then at here T is equal to W, tan theta is converted into E. This E is, thus tan theta is called as a super elevation in our super elevation, rising of the outer edge with respect to inner edge. Okay, and generally we have to write a super elevation equation in the form of E plus F is equal to V square upon G into R. Here E is the super elevation in percentage, F is coefficient of lateral friction, which is when any vehicle is going outer surface, going outward due to centrifugal force, then resistance friction will be acting on the wheels of the vehicle. That friction is called as lateral coefficient of friction. Okay, and here V is the speed of the vehicle in meter per second, and G is the acceleration due to gravity, and R is the radius of the curved surface on which we have to implementing the super elevation. Here E is equal to, we have converted V in meter per second to kmph, and kilometer per hour. Then E is equal to V square upon 127 R minus F. Here V is in kmph, R is in meter, and F is coefficient of lateral friction. Okay, thank you.